Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another episode of Nose Picking. Today I am hopefully going to be picking into this Fortress 50mm Chinese laminated padlock. It comes from a local like hardware store, lumberyard type place, and it's relatively inexpensive. I'd say it's just like their generic or house brand or what have you. I'm sure going to be comparable to a master lock. So let's see. Nothing too special about the keyway there. I'm going to go ahead and go top of the keyway with my Mad Bobs. This is the 1.2mm. And we'll single pin pick it. Looks like 1.2mm, a little thick. Let's go 1mm. And I have my southward standard hook. Alright, let's see what we've got. First pin appears springy. Second pin might be zero lift. Let's see. Nope, pin 1 might be zero lift. Got a good click off the pin 2. Let's see. Pin 3 clicked, and there's our open. So, yeah, like I said, probably comparable to a master lock because there wasn't anything difficult there. Clearly no security pins or anything, unless we just got really lucky with the bitting. As you guys probably, if you've ever watched my channel at all, you know I'm horrible at raking. I don't have any like triple peaks or Bogotas. Basically my main rake is this southward snake rake. But let's just see if I can get this thing open by raking. Rake doesn't even want to slide. No tension all the way to the back. Not even. My tensioner might be binding up on the core of the lock, or the body of the lock, I mean. Let's see. Alright, so raking that style is not my strong suit. What I do feel more confident with typically is rocking with a city rake. So let's see if the city rake will get us into this Fortress 50mm. I'm trying to keep it in camera for you guys. Alright, there's really something odd about the way this tensioner is interacting with the lock, so I'm going to switch from that round tensioner that I typically love so much to just a regular windshield wiper insert style tensioner. Let's see what I can get out of this now. Alright, yeah, really not having a lot of luck with any of the raking methods on this lock, and I don't have the key currently, but I have seen the key to this lock before, and just by virtue of that, I believe that it's got a couple of different highs and lows that really make it not likely to be rocked open or raked open. But we did single pin pick into it. Of course, laminated padlock, no way to gut it without destroying it. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.